Stop pigging around, this incredible resting pig is super easy to make in no time. Roll a large ball of pink clay for the head. Insert the black pins for the eyes and position them evenly. Roll a pink small oval for the snout, add 2 holes and attach it to the head. Roll 2 small pieces of pink clay into teardrop shapes, flatten them gently and attach them on the sides of the head. Shape a pink clay into an oval and position it under the head. Let's get 2 tones of pink and make them into short cylinder shapes, tempering one end of the leg. Attach 2 legs to the sides of the body and 2 at the front, adjusting the shape for a seated post. Roll a thin piece of pink clay into a small coil and attach it to the back. Pig out on creativity with this cozy pink clay pig. Follow us for all things clay.